Hey everyone, Mihai here. Today I'm gonna cover the full fascinating history of colloidal silver from ancient times to now, plus my own real life experiences where topical colloidal silver helped me heal way faster from everyday issues. This is all external, topical use only, sprays, direct application, gargles where I spit it out, never swallowing or internal stuff. I'm sharing what worked for me for personally and for my pets, but remember, this is anecdotal, not a substitute to professional medical or vet advice. If something's serious, see a doctor or a vet first. Let's jump in, history first, then my stories. Silver's story as a healer starts incredibly early. We're talking millennia ago. As far back as 3000 to 2000 BC in ancient Egypt, records show silver was applied directly to wounds to promote healing and fight infections. Hieroglyphs even depict silver plates used in surgeries. Around 550 BC, King Cyrus of Persia insisted his water be carried only in silver containers to keep it pure during long campaigns. It prevented spoilage better than anything else. Hippocrates, the father of Western medicine around 460 BC, used powdered silver to combat infections and spoilage. Alexander the Great in 335 BC demanded his troops' water be stored in silver vessels for the same reason. The Phoenicians, Greeks, and Romans followed suit. They lined storage jars with silver or used silver utensils to preserve food and water. In ancient Rome, silver nitrate was documented in medical texts for cauterizing wounds and treating infections. Moving to Middle Ages, 500 to 1500 AD, wealthy European families, kings, queens, nobles, ate from silver plates and drank from silver goblets. This might explain the blue blood phrase for aristocracy, less disease exposure, though heavy use could cause rare skin discoloration called argyria. By the 1500s to 1800s, silver nitrate became a standard for chemical cauterization of wounds. In the late 1800s to early 1900s, the pre-antibiotic golden age, colloidal silver exploded in popularity. Doctors used it as a broad germ killer. Silver wires for sutures, solutions for wound irrigations, eye drops for newborn infections to prevent blindness from maternal bacteria, nose drops from colds, even intravenous in some cases. Hospitals stocked it widely. During World War I, 1914 to 1918, silver preparations were frontline tools to prevent gangrene and infections in battlefield wounds. It was even one of the best antimicrobial available before penicillin hit in the 1940s. When antibiotics became cheap and effective, colloidal silver was sidelined. But its antimicrobial legacy were never fully disappeared. Modern interest revived in the 1990s to 2000s with antibiotics resistant concerns, and today silver ions are still FDA approved burn creams, wound dressings, and device coatings, proving the ancient intuition was spot on for topical use. Now let's get personal. Why I keep colloidal silver in my kit? I've been using it topically for years on minor issues, and time after time, things heal noticeably faster with less pain or complications. First, infected pimples or acne breakouts. Those red, swollen, pus-filled ones that linger for days, I clean their area, then spray colloidal silver directly or use a cotton swab to dab it on. 4 or 5 times a day. Within 24 to 48 hours, the pus was often drained, redness dropped, and its scab healed cleanly, way quicker than benzoyl peroxide or letting it sit. Small cuts, scrapes, or paper cuts, same thing. Rinse with water, spray, or pour a bit on, repeat 3 5 times daily. They stopped getting inflamed, closed up faster, and rarely scarred badly. Minor burns, like from hot pans or curling irons, immediate spray to cool and cover the area, then reapply every few hours. Pain eased quicker, blistering was minimal, and healing seemed accelerated without infection. Styes or orgelets, those annoying, painful eyelid lumps. Careful dab or gentle spray near the lid, eyes closed, avoid direct in eyes if sensitive, 4-6 times a day. They often shrank and resolved in 2-3 days instead of a week. For sore throats or mouth irritation, I'd gargle with a mouthful for 30-60 seconds, swish around and the back, then spit it all out. Repeat 3-5 times daily. The scratchiness and soreness faded much faster, like it knocked back surfer's James without any swallowing. How I apply it generally. Use a fine mist spray bottle for broad or awkward areas. Easy coverage, no mess. For precise spots, dropper or cotton swab direct application. Always clean first with mild soap and water or saline. Apply generously, let it air dry or lightly covered if needed. Multiple applications keep the area moist with silver contact. That's what seemed to make the difference. Short term, external only. And it's been fantastic for animals too. I've seen it help my own pets and heard from others with similar wins. For dogs or cats with minor cuts, hot spots, itchy red patches, skin irritations or small wounds, spray or dab 3-4 times a day. Hot spots calm fast, less leaking, quicker hair regrowth. Ear issues, mild outer infections or yeast, a few drops or sprays in the ear canal, gentle massage, repeated daily, often cleared faster than some vest drops in mild cases. Eye irritations or minor conjunctivitis, wipe gently around the eye with a soaked cotton ball. Many pet owners reported for ringworm, rashes, or post-surgery care. Topical sprays reduces scratching and promotes healing. Of course, for anything severe, deep wounds, systemic illness, vet first. But for everyday minor stuff, it's been a natural, gentle option that animals tolerate well, no sting, easy to apply. To wrap it up, colloidal silver has an epic story as nature's antimicrobials from pharaohs to World War I trenches, and for me, topical use has sped up recovery on acne, cuts, burns, styes, throat gargles, and pet issues. It's not magic or proven for everything. Mainstream sources note limited evidence behind medical grade products and internal use risk argyria, permanent blue skin. But short-term external, game changer in my experience. Patch test always, start small, consult pros. Big teaser, next video drops soon. How to make your own colloidal silver safety at home, best affordable generators devices to beat those high store prices, ppm tips, and safety pointers. Subscribe, hit the bell, drop a line if this resonated. Comment below. Have you tried topical colloidal silver? What worked or didn't for you or your pets? Let's chat. Thanks for watching, stay curious and healthy.